everybody. Open your science book, page 363 to 367. First, let's start from 363. Here is our topic. What is metallurgist? A metallurgist is a scientist who works with metals. Iron, aluminium, gold, and copper are just some of these metals. They also combine different metals to make a new metal. Why do they combine different metals? Well, answer is metals may have different ways, strengths, and hardnesses. They combine metals to change their properties. The new metal may be stronger, harder, or a different color. Now, how do they use the properties of metal in their work? The answer is they look at the properties of metals and how metals can be used. Iron is strong. Mixed with other materials, it becomes a steel. A steel is a hard and a strong metal. Copper can conduct electricity. It's a good metal to use for electrical wires. Now it's our turn. What properties make steel a good material to use for building bridges? Answer is steel is a hard and strong metal that we can use. And this led to that. Tin is a silvery white metal. This is tin as a silvery white metal. It's both flexible and brittle. It means it can be breakable or it can be stretched or elastic. Copper is a soft red metal. It can be shaped into things and over time turns green. This is copper. The color of it is this, and we usually use it for electrical wires. And this is made of bronze. Bronze is made by mixing tin and copper. The gold metal is hard and strong. Over time, bronze turns green. Now, let's compare the properties of copper and bronze. Then, complete the table. Well, the properties of copper is red, soft, and flexible. And the properties of bronze is gold, hard, and strong. And the properties of both of them, it can be shaped, it can change color over time. These are the common things they have together. And bronze is shaped to make sculptures and bells. Well, as a matter of fact, we can make all metals as a sculpture, as different things, because we can melt them and turn them to new thing like this sculpture or any other things. Let's move to lesson 2 of our book. What are the state of matters? First of all, let's engage our brain to this question. It says, how does heating this frozen treat, how this frozen treat affect it? Answer is, when it gets hot enough, the solid turns into liquid. Look at this ice cream that this girl is eating. It's melting. Because of what? Because of heat, because of warm, because of sun, because of time. After a couple of minutes, it turns as a solid to liquid, as you can see. And today's words that we are going to learn are solid, liquid, gas. And we know evaporation and condensation. Let's go for the next. What's the state? What's the state? Look at here. It seems to be here we have party and there are some gifts, drinks, cakes, and a lady who drinks, balloon, plates, and so on. Let's read it. What a party! You can eat a piece of solid cake, drink a cold liquid, or play with a gas-filled balloon. Now let's read these 2 pages. Draw a circle around the names of 3 states of matter that are being compared. Well, these curtains, these ribbon, and ice cubes, and orange juice, there are 3 common states of matter. They are solid, liquid, and gas. What can be found in all 3 states? A solid, a liquid, and a gas. A solid is a matter that takes up a definite amount of space. A solid also has a definite shape. Your science book is a solid. Ice is also a solid. And a liquid is a matter that also takes up a definite amount of space. But it does not have a definite shape. We don't know, it's circle, it's rectangle, it's triangle. It doesn't have definite shape. Liquid takes the shape of their container. It means that if you pour the liquid into any container, it can get the shape of that container. Also, drinking water is a liquid. A gas is a matter that does not take up a definite amount of space and does not have a definite shape. The air around you is a gas. Breathe. This is gas. And these ice cubes are solid. This orange drink is liquid. And here in this picture, the air in the balloon is gas. And the bubbles she blew into the glass, and in the glass there are some bubbles. Those bubbles are gas. And these plastics are solid. Now take a look at around yourself and see what things are gas what things are solid and what things are liquid.